Welcome to the AInvation channel. Today, we're diving into the 9 jobs that are immune to automation by AI.
Have you ever wondered which jobs AI will never replace? As intriguing as it might be, there are jobs that our silicon counterparts can't take from us. Now, this isn't about stoking fear or amplifying doomsday predictions. Rather, it's about shedding light on the resilience and adaptability of human skills. Artificial intelligence has been a game changer, revolutionizing industries and reshaping the job market. It's true, some roles have become obsolete, replaced by more efficient, tireless machines, but as some doors close, others open. There are careers that thrive on the very things that make us human, our ability to empathize, create, understand complex emotions, and make judgment calls based on more than just data. These are the roles that AI in all its binary glory can't quite grasp, at least not yet. So, let's explore the 9 jobs that AI will never replace. Starting with number 9, we have mental health professionals. In a world that's increasingly digitized, the value of human empathy and understanding can't be overstated, especially in the realm of mental health. When it comes to navigating the complex landscapes of our minds, an AI, regardless of how advanced, falls short. Mental health professionals are not just diagnosing disorders or managing treatments. They're forming deep connections with their patients. They're understanding their life stories, their fears, their hopes. They're providing comfort, reassurance, and a safe space for people to express themselves. This is not something that can be programmed into an algorithm. Moreover, the nuances of human emotions, the subtleties of our expressions, the unspoken words in our silences, these are aspects that an AI might miss, but a human professional can understand and respond to. So, despite the advancements in AI, the human touch in mental health care remains irreplaceable. At number 8, we find artists. Artists are the quintessential creators, the visionaries who bring color to our world. Their work is a blend of creativity and originality, a journey through their unique perspectives, experiences, and emotions. This is a realm where artificial intelligence still finds itself an outsider. You see, art is not about producing a perfect replica of reality. It's about interpreting, exploring, and often challenging it. It's about seeing the world through a different lens and capturing the essence of human experience in a way that resonates with others. This requires a depth of understanding, empathy, and intuition that AI, with all its computational prowess, cannot replicate. Moreover, every artist puts a part of themselves into their work, a personal touch that makes each creation unique. This individuality, this human touch, is something that no AI can truly emulate. Art, being a reflection of the human spirit, is something that AI can't quite capture. Number 7 on our list is researchers. In the world of research, the human touch is invaluable. Researchers are masters of critical thinking, able to delve into complex problems and navigate through layers of information. They can spot patterns, make connections, and draw unique insights, all with a dash of human intuition. It's a dynamic process that requires flexibility, adaptability, and sometimes a leap of faith. Artificial intelligence, as powerful as it is, still lacks these human traits. It can certainly process data faster than any human, but it's limited by its programming. It can't question its own conclusions or think outside its programmed parameters. It can't decide to take a new approach or ponder on the implications of its findings. In essence, the unpredictability and creativity in research is something AI can't match. The human brain's unique ability to think outside the box, to question, to hypothesize, and to innovate pushes the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding. Researchers, you are irreplaceable. Coming in at number 6, we have educators. Now, there's no doubt that artificial intelligence has made significant strides in the realm of education, with learning becoming more personalized and interactive. However, the role of an educator extends far beyond just imparting knowledge. It's about human connection, empathy, understanding the unique needs of each student, and most importantly, inspiring them. A teacher doesn't just teach, they mentor, guide, and instill a love for learning that lasts a lifetime. They are able to pick up on subtleties and nuances, understanding when a student is struggling or needs extra encouragement. Artificial intelligence, for all its advancements, still lacks the ability to truly empathize and inspire. It can't replicate the warmth of a smile, the understanding in a nod, or the encouragement in a pat on the back. Education, being more than just information transfer, needs that human touch. And that's something artificial intelligence can't emulate, at least not yet. Halfway through our list at number 5 are judges. Now, you might be wondering why a job that involves decision-making can't be automated. Well, the role of a judge goes beyond simply interpreting the law. It requires an understanding of societal norms, ethics, and morality. Judges need to consider the context, the intention behind actions, and the potential consequences of their decisions. They need to have empathy, to understand the human condition in all its complexity. This is something that artificial intelligence, despite its impressive capabilities, cannot replicate. AI lacks the human perspective necessary for justice. It cannot understand the subtleties of human emotion or the nuances of societal values. It can't understand the difference between what is legal and what is just. It can't make moral judgments or ethical considerations. The role of a judge requires a deep understanding of humanity, something that artificial intelligence can't provide. Justice requires a human perspective that AI can't provide. At number 4, we have skilled tradespeople. These are the professionals who excel in hands-on skills, often working with tools and materials to build, repair, and maintain our world. From carpenters to electricians, plumbers to stonemasons, these individuals possess a deep understanding of their craft, developed through years of practice and experience. A significant aspect of being a skilled tradesperson is the ability to solve problems creatively. Each project comes with its unique challenges. Perhaps a building's blueprint doesn't quite match its actual structure, or a car's engine has a fault that's not in the manual. In these situations, tradespeople use their knowledge, intuition, and creativity to find solutions. Moreover, their work requires a level of finesse and precision that's difficult to program into a machine. The way a painter blends colors on a canvas, or how a carpenter shapes wood, these are not just mechanical actions, but involve a human touch, an artistic eye, and a sense of adaptability. The finesse and adaptability of human tradespeople can't be replicated by AI. Number 3 on our list is social workers. Now, you might be wondering, how can artificial intelligence replace a profession that thrives on empathy, understanding, and human connection? The simple answer is it can't. Social workers are at the forefront of tackling some of the most complex issues in our society. They deal with human emotions, behaviors, and societal norms, which are far too complex for any AI to comprehend fully. Their job involves understanding the intricate human psyche and the societal structures that shape our lives. A task that requires a deep level of empathy and human understanding. They are there to listen, guide, and provide solutions to those who are struggling, using their emotional intelligence and their experiences. Artificial intelligence, while impressive, lacks the ability to truly understand, empathize, and connect on a human level. It cannot replicate the genuine compassion and understanding that social workers bring to their profession. Social work, being centered on human relationships, can't be replaced by AI. Almost at the top, at number 2, we have athletes. When we think of athletes, we think of physical prowess, the relentless drive to push the boundaries of human performance, and a competitive spirit that's second to none. These are qualities that can't simply be programmed into an artificial intelligence. Think about it. The exhilaration of a sprinter crossing the finish line, the sheer determination of a marathon runner, the agility of a gymnast, or the precision of a golfer. Each of these showcases the remarkable capabilities of the human body and spirit. Moreover, athletics isn't just about physical abilities. It's about mental strength, strategy, and the will to win. It's about the thrill of the competition, the joy of victory, and the lessons learned in defeat. These human elements, the passion, the resilience, the raw emotions, these are things that an artificial intelligence simply cannot replicate. The thrill of human competition is something AI can't replicate. Finally, at number 1, we have chefs. The culinary world is a realm teeming with creativity, passion, and a dash of unpredictability. You see, a chef's role isn't simply about following recipes to the letter. It involves a deep understanding of ingredients, their interactions, and how they can be transformed into culinary masterpieces. Chefs are culinary artists who paint with flavors and scents. They blend spices and ingredients, creating unique compositions that can't be duplicated precisely by a machine. It's not just about the taste, it's about the presentation, the smell, the texture, the temperature. It's an all-encompassing sensory experience that requires human touch and intuition. Moreover, chefs connect with their customers on a personal level. They create dishes that evoke memories, celebrate cultures, and bring comfort. This emotional connection, this ability to stir up nostalgia with a spoon, is something that artificial intelligence has yet to grasp. The art of cooking, being a sensory experience, is something AI can't replicate. So there you have it, the 9 jobs that AI will never replace. From the empathetic touch of mental health professionals to the creative brilliance of artists, each of these roles brings a unique human element that simply cannot be replicated by a machine. The painstaking dedication of researchers, the nurturing spirit of educators, and the wise, impartial judgment of our judges further underscore the importance of the human touch in our professional world. Skilled tradespeople with their hands-on expertise, social workers with their deep understanding of human nature, athletes who push the boundaries of physical potential, and chefs, creators of culinary masterpieces, all contribute to a rich tapestry of professions that keep our society running. As we move forward, it's clear that AI will play a significant role in the job market. But it's equally clear that it will coexist with, not replace, these crucial human-centered roles. While AI might change the job landscape, it certainly can't replace the human spirit.
If you found this video insightful and thought-provoking, make sure to give us a like. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell to join us on future explorations. Thanks, and see you in the next video.